1 2 3 4 like that. So I'm going to first list all the vertices that I have. So I'm going to call this column vert, or just V. Let's just keep it word like that. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And is there 9? Yeah, there's the 9. So I have 9 nodes, actually no, 10 nodes, but 9 is the numbering. So the thing is, after I've listed all of the nodes, next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to see 0 is connected to what. So I'm gonna say 0 is connected to which node. Let's just make a line. Now I'm gonna choose a different color here. Red looks nice. So 0 connected to 8, right? Now I'm gonna put 8 here. Then 0 is connected to what? I mean 1 is connected to what? 1 is connected to 2 9 7 3. So I'm gonna order doesn't really matter, but yeah, let's just make that it's first we write 2. It's good practice to write it in ascending order. Okay, 2 7 9, and don't forget the 3. Then 2 is connected to 1 4 8, 1 4 and 8. Yeah, so yeah, this is basically the trick. You can fill in this. What this means is that 0 is connected to 8. You can see 0 is connected there to 8. 1 is connected to 2. So you can see 1 is connected to 2. 1 is also connected to 3, which is right indicated right here. 7 and 9. So 7 and 9. So this is basically one way I'll give it, the one way of representing a graph. Okay, this is called an adjacency list. Next we're going to have a look at an adjacency matrix. You can, by the way, fill in the rest of the nodes. If you don't, then in the next video or in the upcoming videos you'll definitely see that it's filled. Thanks for watching.